Hyperflash. This is what happens when you change your stock turn signal light into LED or LED turn signal light. But there's a solution for this. All you need is to find a relay that works with your motorcycle model. But if your motorcycle has a non-LED or LED dash indicator light, you might need this diode kit. This diode kit will prevent your dash indicator light and turn signal light malfunction, unless your turn signal dash indicator light is already LED or equipped with LED bulb. But if it's not, this diode kit is a must to control a voltage load on your dash indicator light. In this DIY video, I would like to show you how to properly install the relay and the diode kit for this Yamaha V-Star 1100 Classic to fix the Hyperflash and make the operation smooth. Okay. So I'll start by removing this fuel tank and unplug this wire harness of the multi-function meter. Looking for the flasher relay, I found two in front of the air filter box. So one of these two relays is the flasher relay. And based on my research, this is the flasher relay with a code number of FB257H. Again, flasher relay code is FB257H. And here's the new relay that I bought. You can easily find this relay by just clicking the link in my description box. And by the way, this relay has only 2 pins, because I only need 2 wire pins from the stock relay. And there's no need to splice or cutting wires. So to begin, I only need to remove 2 wire pins from end to end using this mini flat screw head. Figuring out to remove these wire pins is to press the clip lock, then pull the wire or wire pin. And that's how easy it is. There you go. And here comes the second wire. There you go. Like I've said, I only need 2 wire pins. The color is brown. It is a solid brown. And the second wire is brown with a white line. So I'm going to test this relay first before I'm going to fix them in place. So here's the white brown wire, and here's the solid brown. So I'm gonna use this white brown wire to that letter L pin based on the diagram. Means indicator switch. The one with the positive sign is the supply, where that solid brown wire goes with. and then installing the stock relay back to where it belongs. And now time to turn this on and see the result. And yes, the Hyperflash is fixed. Look at that. And let me check out the rear turn signal lights. And there you go. How about the right turn signal light? Let's check this out. All right. And now there's a tree relay that I need to hide. So again, this is the relay that fixed the Hyperflash. You only need 2 pins of this relay, kind of relay. And then I'm going to use a shrinkable tube to cover that bare metal of that relay and the wire or wire pins. So after covering the bare metal or wire pins with shrinkable tube, here is the place or the location that I put this relay. I also used a zip tie to hold this relay in place. And the next part of this video is fixing the dash indicator light using this diode kit. So if you guys have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you will be notified once I upload my next DIY video.